Hello guys, welcome to the channel again. In the last video we had the same app, and what we did is we changed the font size. We made it dynamic. As you can see, this is a story app, and if you haven't watched that video and you want to see how it was done, you can see in this link down below. But it won't affect what we are going to do now, so you don't need to watch it for the dark mode. Anyways, now what we are going to do is, as you know, a story app is basically not that good without the dark mode feature. So we are going to add the dark mode feature here. Okay, let's begin. So first of all, we need to add a button that will be used to change into dark mode. So let's do this. Okay, where is our toggle button? Okay, we are going to give it a row. After the toggle buttons, we are going to add a circle button, or let's add a circle avatar. Our child is going to be icon, and we need an icon that will represent our dark mode. Okay, so we're going to give it icons. Let's see if there is any. So there isn't any icon that will represent our dark mode, so let's just find out a better one. Okay, now that we have added our icon, what we need is a white. So first I'm going to give two variables. and I'm going to give it black. Now what we are going to do is add a background to it. Background color, and we're going to give it your black color. I'm going to give it black color. So let's see, it's secondary. And this icon I'm going to give color story primary color. Okay, that looks okay. We need padding, so let's give it a right as well. Okay, now that the icon is set, now what we need to do is we need to have all these colors, these white and black of the content, in a variable so that we can change it. Okay guys, so I changed all these colors and stored them into a variable, primary color and secondary color, and we did it only until our story content. We only need our story to be inside dark mode. So I'll show you how it looks, but before we do that, we need to do the functionality of this button. So let's do this. Okay, so let's wrap our circular avatar into gesture detector. Give it a on tap, and in its on tap, as we tap our icon, we will swap the colors. We will make primary white and black and secondary black and vice versa. So we'll make a function void toggle dark mode, and here we will swap these. Color temp color equals to your primary story primary color. Then we change our story secondary color, sorry, secondary primary color to story secondary color, and then we change the last one to temp. And we need to call set state. Let's give our on tab that function toggle dark mode, and now let's run it and see how it looks. We need to change secondary color to temp, not primary. Okay, run it now. Okay, it changes. So it looks pretty decent. Now let's change it back. See how it looks. It works. So it's working perfectly. That's it guys for this video, and remember that if you need to change the dark mode for your complete app, for the whole your app, then you need to have all your colors into variables, all of them, and you change them when you tap, and you need to save it in shared preferences if you want it to be a permanent change, so that the user opens next time and it's still there. Okay, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.